Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage on the application of Pokemon Go. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Pokemon Go and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.